Hello guys, welcome to part 2 of this hands-on lab on Elastic Load Balancer. In the part 1 we configured the two instances. Right now we're in part 2. We're gonna configure the Elastic Load Balancer and interface it with the internet and see whether it's working. So let's get into it. Elastic Load Balancer, you will see that under the instance, so go back to your dashboard and you will see by the left, see load balancing, load balancer. Click on load balancer, right? So you click on create load balancer. So there are three types, or pretty much four types. We have classical right here. Like I said, for the theory, go to my blog to get that, but we're going to be configuring the application load balancer. So I'm gonna click create, give it a name, ELB, ELB practice 01. That's fine. So the scheme is internet facing. The IP address, I will leave IPv4. I don't know how to take this off, but it's like blocking me. But the network mapping, right, we're gonna leave the default VPC. Okay, so the mapping is gonna be towards east, US East 1. We're gonna leave the automatic subnet and then assigned by and the US East 1B. Again, if you have more instances, like target instances, right, you can target more target instances in the same in different availability zone in a target group. You can select it. So but right now, we'll just have only two. For the security groups, right, something I want to do, like I said, we're gonna configure the security group so to allow HTTP, that's port 80. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna really like click on create security group and just I might have one already, but I'm doing a lab, so I pretty much want to show you guys how to create a security group. Let me see. Oh, I have one already, but for the purpose of this lab, right? Or do I show you what it is? I will just create a new one. So hold on. I have one already, but I want to configure a new one for the purpose of this. So I will write ELB practice 01 let me use sec. Let me just use sec group, not the other one, security group, right? So description, yeah, allows HTTP access to my application. Leave default VPC. So the inbound rule is all we are concerned about. So you find HTTP, and once you click it, the port 80 is automatically selected, and it's gonna be from anywhere. And guess what? That's all. We're gonna click on create security group. Oh, my video is. I'm gonna move my video because it's disturbing me. So create security group, and I'll move this right back here. So I'll go back to the other console because if you pay attention, it opened in a new tab, and I'll refresh this. We gotta be fast here, guys. So I'll look for ELB sec group. Boom. Then I'll remove this one. Right. So the listener. Let's see what's going on here. So have HTTP port 80. Now, listener is very important. This is where you create a target group, right? So that it could listen to both of your instances. So I'm gonna click on create target group. So inside target group, we're gonna put the two instances inside target group. So our target group is gonna be of type instances. Like I said, it can be other things, and then it's gonna be port 80. Target group name, ELB practice 01 targets group, right? Leave the default VPC protocol, HTTP1, health checks, we'll do nothing there, attributes, and then we'll click on next. I hope it goes on next. So on next, we can see that we want to put the two instances into a target group. So this instance and this instance, and I will say include as pending below. So it takes it inside right here, and then I'm just gonna move this again, and I'll click on create target group, and yep, target group successfully created. And then I can go back here, and then I will refresh this, and I will select my ELB target group, right? So that's it. And then add-on service, no text, no summary. Let's look at the summary, make sure everything is fine, and then you click on create load balancer. So now we created load balancer. We're gonna go and click on view load balancer. So we see that the load balancer is in a provisioning state. Right now, I will pause this video and I will and allow it to provision. Once it's finished provisioning, I will come back to this video and we wrap up. Hello guys, welcome back. That took like I think 2 or 3 minutes to provision. Right now you can see that our ELB says active. So right away, without wasting your time, we going to go inside the ELB, and so this is our DNS name, right? So we're going to run this DNS on our server, or, on our browser, to see whether we can see our two websites, two web servers, right, that is connected to it, right? So again, this is DNS name, is like your A record. You can really connect it to your own personal domain name using the RAS 53 DNS management, or even like buy from GoDaddy, and then go and configure the A record with this, and then you can use your own domain name. But let's first of all, let's see whether it's working. um I don't think we need to check anything. Everything looks good, so we're just gonna paste this on our browser, and let's see. Boom. Right. So you can see, welcome to my ELB hands-on tutorial. So when you refresh, right, it's expected that you could see my second website, right? So that's refreshed. Anything happened? No. Hopefully. Hold on. Let me refresh again, right? Oh, here we go. Welcome to my, what is that on the ground? I don't know. Welcome to my ELB hands-on tutorial 02. So identical in a production environment, those two instances are supposed to have be the same, like have the same content. You will not know which one is loading on which one, but the load balancer is going to be distributing traffic to both of them. 3, 4, 5, 6, as much as you have 1,000 instances. Anyone that goes down is going to be fault tolerant. Is the other one we take um take backup, and the algorithm, I think, yeah, like I said, go to to my blog, to my tech blog, and get the theory, but it uses like what we call like the round robin algorithm to to switch distance for you. So guys, that is all for the ELB, the application load balancing tutorial. So right now this is like um in the same availability, in like in different availability zone, right? So I think I'm gonna do another tutorial explain the one that has to do with like region, like in different regions, right? So hang on, subscribe to my channel please, and there's gonna be more content like this in different aspects of AWS, like the compute, the storage, and the I'm gonna be focusing mainly on the compute, the storage, and the networking, right? I mean, any other phone project I'm building, like I built a WordPress website before. Um, I've configured a WordPress website in AWS. If you go to my instances, that is the instance you see here called Louis the Tech Guy. I know something is wrong with it right now, but I don't know. But yeah, guys, that's it for today, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace. Bye.